made colonizing a cryogenic world like Triton feasible. Supplemented by nuclear fusion power gleaned from Neptune's atmosphere, the dream of a habitable Triton was ultimately crushed by set-def incursions that exterminated the frontier settlers. Day length of 5.8 days, temperature of negative 235 degrees Celsius, and atmospheric composition, nitrogen and methane. And lastly, we have Pluto. Poor planet, that's not Pluto. Poor planet Pluto. Oddly enough, Charon is not here. And Charon is one of Pluto's satellites. Contains the dwarf planet Pluto, and while officially designated a contested territory between the SETDEF and the UNSA, it is unofficially considered neutral space. This is why Pluto's moon Charon was chosen as the site of the negotiations that brought an end to the succession wars. A dwarf planet in the I think that's pronounced, no, Kuiper belt? I don't know. Kuipr. Pluto's surface is primarily nitrogen ice. Pluto has managed to mainly remain a neutral site due to its limited resources, extreme distance from larger outposts, and scarce surface area for establishment of necessary facilities. Distance from Sun, 49.3 AU, 5.9 billion kilometers, day length of 6.4 days, year length of 248 years, temperature negative 229 degrees Celsius, atmospheric comp, nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Monoxide, if I'm not mistaken, carbon monoxide is the stuff that comes from car exhaust, and that can kill you. So yeah, that's our local cluster, everybody. Now obviously they don't have every single, like, moon on here, because there's like well over, in some of these planets, like well over 70. But those are the moons, and that's what the map says.
There's a graveyard up here, Reyes. We should move out. And
I don't know when I'll be able to do this, because I think if I look, I'm gonna just real quickly look. If I'm not mistaken, some of the missions that I had taken part in previously are not listed here, even though there are like well over 16 missions. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's only 10 listed here for some odd reason. But I think all the personnel info has been filled. Intel logs, which is, from logs from everybody else, which we will listen to eventually, get the chance. But that being said, I'm Captain Alex Mason, and I'll see you guys later.